7 Business Growth W.O.W. Tactics for Increased Market Share. Here are 7 Business Growth W.O.W. registered tactics for increased market share that you can deploy now. 1. Rule 1-12-50 Copyright the first portion of every month, hence the number 1, consistently every month, hence the number 12. Identify a population index upwards of 50, hence the number 50, key customers or emerging customers, and provide them a value-added communication. 2. E-signature line. Consider adding into your standard email auto-signature line any updates on products or services you provide to all recipients of your communication exchanges. This also serves as a powerful standardization for ensuring customers receive advance notices for deadlines, product or service announcements, changes and discontinuations, etc. 3. E-autoresponder. Consider adding into your standard email autoresponder, if you don't engage it routinely, especially engage it when you will be away from email receiving, any updates on products or services you provide to all recipients of your communication exchanges. This is also a great way to promote and advertise to those people that initiate sending email traffic to you first, as now you can instantly bounce back a message to them. 4. Hotel letters. Realize that in most all hotels there seems to be at least pieces of stationery and envelopes in the desk drawer. Consider a handwritten note to 3 vital fews about something that is top of mind to you and of value to them. 5. Advocate maintenance. Ensure that you never let an advocate get more than 30 days out from hearing from or seeing you. Plan regular communications and/or thank you events to draw from them ways to continue to enhance the service you provide to them. 6. Newsletter. Design a high-impact, value-rich content-based print newsletter for your core customers, the vital few, and send routinely to them as a way to enrich their value proposition in their market. Then, soft communicate a product/service from you to them at the end of each newsletter. This vehicle can be distributed to customers as statement stuffers, attachments with invoices and contracts, attached to proposals and general correspondence from customer service contact professionals and the sales team alike. This can serve as a source for the Rule 1-12-50 copyright campaign. 7. Fax alerts. Consider a Friday afternoon fax blast to your customers with any products/services that can impact their bottom line, send announcements and press releases, etc. If these contact names are in your database as clients and/or contacts that you have a pre-existing relationship with and/or have established a relationship with whereby they want communication offers from you, then a fax alert or blast is a smart, fast, economical, and acceptable contact means. Conversely, if you don't have this rapport or permission, then a fax blast may be seen as spam and be illegal in some non-business growth-oriented communities. Deploy these field-tested and proven strategies now and watch your business flourish.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.